Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sum numbers only on Microsoft Excel. Sometimes people would like to sum of the numbers on Excel column values, but if there is a number and text on the column, how they can sum only the numbers? Let's learn how you can do this by using Excel formula. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. So in my Excel sheet, I have a price column. This column has number and the text. So I would like to sum only of the numbers. So I have to use the formula. So here I would like to add the total. So first we have to identify the numbers and text. So we have to use the formula is number. Then we have to select the cell true. So this is a number. So we have to apply this formula to all cells. That's it. So now it will be identify the number and text. You can see here then text is false. This is also false. So now we are going to sum of the numbers only by using the formula. So here we have to use the formula sum if, then we have to select the cell, then add the comma true, then we have to add the comma, then we have to select the cells what you would like to sum of the numbers, then close the bracket, then hit to enter. That's it. So now the numbers only sum of this column. You can check here, this is a formula that we used in the sum of the numbers only on this column. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.